Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Matt Muth, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do different things in Excel as far as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, um, and the formulas for that, and how you kind of do that and get that rolling. So basically, the first thing you're going to do is open Excel, which I already have saved kind of down here. Let me make that bigger, maybe, just like that. And then you can go ahead and open a blank workbook. It should pop up like that. Perfect. And then just for this exercise, I'm just going to throw a couple random numbers over here, and these don't really mean anything. I'm just going to use them to fill in the equations. So I'll just put a couple random numbers in here. All right. Perfect. So those are just numbers that we are going to put into our equations. And over here we'll have addition, subtraction, multiplication. And then if anything ever doesn't fit into a cell like that, you can kind of extend it so everything fits inside that multiplication. And then we'll go division. And so I'm just going to kind of run through the different ways that you can get these answers, and Excel makes it really easy. So once you figure out kind of the formulas for that, it's way easier than having to pull out a calculator and all that. So okay, so we'll start with addition. To get anything in your Excel cell right here, you always will start with an equal, because you're trying to equal the things that are over here. So as far as addition goes, you're looking for the sum. So you can put type in sum, and then it should pop up on my recently used, and then it already has that right there. So we'll just go to the first cell here, which is A1, and it auto populates that. So it's taking that number, throwing it over here, and then just put in a comma because I'm going to put in another number, which is A2. That's 655, and then I'm going to close it off with that parentheses there. And then once I have that in here, it's just as easy as hitting enter here, and then it gives me that total. So that's pretty easy as far as addition. It's pretty simple. As far as subtraction goes, we go in with our equal. We pick our number, and then we can literally just make our subtraction sign here. And then we can also pick another number. And then you hit enter, and then that gives you the total for subtracting the 418 for the 323. Yeah, and they make it super easy. So if you ever need, you don't ever need a calculator really with Excel. There's a formula for about everything. For multiplication, you just go in, and you start like always. You hit an equal, and then we'll use, let's just use A4, and then the multiplication sign in Excel is actually the asterisk, which is on the number 8 for me. Type that in there, A4, so that's A4 times with the asterisk, and then you can pick your different number, which is cell A5. Then I can just hit enter, and it gives me the total for these two here. And then as far as division goes, you always start with your equal sign, and then we can do A1, and then the division here is just backward slash like that. And then we'll just take this, and you just hit enter again. It's pretty simple. So that's your number. It's your total you get for dividing those two numbers. So basically, for addition, you use sum, the number. For subtraction, you just literally use the multiplication sign. Or sorry, scratch that. You just use the subtraction sign. And then for multiplication, you just use the asterisk. And then for division, you just use the backward slash there. So they make it pretty easy. And these are just good things to know because it's very time consuming knowing how to use these formulas. It's easier than having to pull out a calculator. You can just throw it in the formula here on Excel. So that's all I got for you today. Thank you for listening.